So hello everyone, this is the 24 feet by 47 feet plot. As per the client demand, the entry should not be from the south. Okay, as you can see, it is the south facing plot. So we have designed like this. It is the open space. Okay, and you can also provide a sliding gate here, and it is works as a parking area. And the main entry is from the eastward direction. You can directly enter in the dining area. It is a small dining area for the guests, and here is the staircase. Okay, for the upward or vertical movement, and beneath the staircase it is the small bathroom, and it is the gate of bathroom for the guest. Okay, it is a small bathroom, and from this area you can directly enter to the main hall. You can also adjust your TV and speakers and so on. It is the main hall that is 8 feet by 13 feet. Okay, and it is our WC 6 by 5. It is a sufficient size for the bathroom of a residential building. And now you can see here is our two rooms, 9 by 12 and 9 by 12, and it is of the 3 feet gate because the client has also the backward for the gardening. This site is located in the village, so this is for the gate for the backward opening. And the third room is also 9 by 11 feet, and here is the kitchen. As you can see the windows here, the kitchen has two big windows. Okay, 3 feet and 3 feet, one, and this room has one window in this side direction, and rest another two rooms has two windows, one in the this direction, another in that direction. Okay, so and on the first floor you can see this. Currently the design is not completed. I will share this dwg file in your course. Going to the 3D view of the this elevation, I have also drawn an elevation of this drawing. Okay, as you can see, it is the main gate. Okay, and you can see this area is for the flowering purpose. Okay, and from the front the home looks like this. As you can see, it is looking, I think, beautiful. And as the client belongs to the Hindu family, so they demanded us for the Ganesh Saj murti on the top of the mamti, so I have provided it. Okay, and you can see the beautiful railings and all. So now the design is not fully completed. We will upload the second part of this video also. Okay, so thank you guys, see you in the next video.